Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings on your NARWAL Freo Z Ultra. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're in our mobile app right here. We already have our map populated. I haven't done anything to the map yet. So you'll notice it was smart enough. It identified rugs and added carpet. It even put a couch in there for us. You'll notice in the bathroom, it identified where the toilet was. Pretty cool. Got the carpet in this room. Got the rug out front by the door. You get the idea. So very accurate. I didn't have to redivide the rooms or anything along those lines. I'm very happy with how it configured everything by default. But I wanted to show you all the map options. So right-hand side of your screen, we have a 3D option. So we have a 3D map to view it currently as it is. How cool is that though? We can see the station. We got the couch. Nice little option there to look at it. Next, we have different map display options, mono or color. And then do you want to display all of those following boxes that are checked? You could uncheck them though if it's too cluttered for you, don't want to see everything on your map. That's where you can adjust that right there. Next, we have a map editing option. We will go ahead, we'll select that. And that takes us to basically the meat of our map settings. So top right-hand corner, map list. We can save up to 4 maps, so it does support multi-level mapping, which is great. Basement, second story, things like that. But let's go back here and let's look. We can split rooms, merge rooms, rename our rooms. So you can select a room, and then if you want to name it, you can do that right there. Maybe I'm boring. I prefer just to leave them as the numbers, but you can customize that too if you want. Then we can add furniture. Look at all the furniture we have. So you can really build out your map if you want. And they have different categories too to quickly browse. Then you'll notice floor material. So you can select a room and its floor type. Look at how detailed that is. Has some suggestions for you too, like with tile floor versus hardwood versus general. Really neat. Then we have our carpet settings. So this is important too. You'll notice at the top there's a customize and default option. So you want to get this right to make sure your vacuum's cleaning exactly how you want it. So by default, when it encounters new carpet areas, it will do the following. Clean the carpet, avoid the carpet, cross the carpet without cleaning it, ignore the carpet. So I like to have it set to clean the carpet, but that's up to you. And then we can customize it in each room. So in this room, do you want it to cross the carpet? Do you want to do a regular cleaning, sidestep the carpet, or power boost? So pick and choose which one you want, and you can hit save. So make sure you get that right so it's properly cleaning or avoiding your carpets. You want to spend a couple of minutes there. Next, we can set no-go zones. So we got areas and rooms, which is really neat. Let's just look at the areas. We'll hit the plus icon. Here's where you don't want it to vacuum or mop, drag and drop. We could also add one that's just, let's get that one right there. But we could add another one after it's confirmed. We can add another one that's just vacuuming, right? So we have that option too. Whoops, covered the base station. So let's do one that's just no vacuuming. And then we can add another one here. So that's confirmed. Add mop. Don't want it to mop right there. Boom. There you go. So drag and drop, pick and choose how you want to set up those zones in different areas or different rooms. You can mix and match as your needs arise. Next in the map, we have a heavily soiled room option. So we can set, let's say we know this is highly trafficked and heavily soiled. We can identify that right there. And we have this little question option showing us what's going to happen. Basically, the robot will start intensive cleaning to ensure a clean floor. So if you have a highly trafficked room, you can do that and enable that right there on the map. And then lastly, we can edit the floor plan. If we need to edit anything right there, select the room to be edited. So very customizable map. Don't forget though, spend a couple minutes to adjust your carpet settings if you have carpet and rugs in your house.